Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about selection sort. Let's have a look on types of sorting techniques. The types of sortings are bubble sort, merge sort, insertion sort, selection sort, heap sort, quick sort, etc. Rest all types of sorting I have discussed in another video. I have shared the link in description. Please go through it. The documentation regarding selection sort is also provided in description. So let's start with introduction of selection sort. This sort is just a simple sorting algorithm. This sorting algorithm is based on in-place comparison. Here we will divide the provided array in two parts. One is left hand, which is sorted, and second is right hand, which is unsorted. The selection sort algorithm sorts an array by repeatedly finding the minimum element from unsorted element and putting that minimum element at the start of the array, which is sorted. Okay. This sorting algorithm maintains two subarrays. The subarray which is already sorted and remaining subarray which is unsorted. This sorting is not suitable for large amount of data because its average and worst case time complexity is O of n square. Let's discuss complexity here. For an unsorted or a sorted array, it will take an element to compare with all other element of the array. Means here we will compare n elements with all other n elements. That's why its best and worst case time complexity is O of n square. The time complexity of selection sort is same in all cases because the minimum element is not known until the end of the array is not reached. So that's why in both cases we need to traverse array. The space complexity is O of 1. Let's have a look on its algorithm. Here we are providing an array which we need to sort and its size. Repeat this loop over an unsorted array. Mark the first element as minimum and for all other element which is there remaining in unsorted element, compare each element with minimum element. If this element is less than the current minimum element, then we are going to swap this element with existing minimum element, and once we done with all swapping, finally we will get a sorted array which is the end of our selection sort. Let's discuss selection sort with an example so that it will be easy for us to understand this concept. Here I am taking this unsorted array. What algorithm tells? First step is to mark first element as sorted. Then search for minimum element in a unsorted list. And if we find a minimum element, so we are going to replace this minimum element with the existing minimum element. So let's start. As per algorithm, we will mark this 12 as minimum element and traverse the unsorted list against this 12. And here we will find 9 is the lowest value. So we are going to replace 12 and 9. For now we have 9 in our sorted sublist. In next iteration we will traverse unsorted list against 32 and we will find 12 is the minimum value. So we need to replace these two values. After replacing, we will get 9 and 12 in our sorted sublist. In next iteration, we will traverse this unsorted sublist against 25. 25 itself is a minimum value. So in this case, no swapping is required and we will put this 25 in sorted sublist. So for now, we have 9, 12 and 25 in a sorted sublist. In next iteration, we will again traverse array and find that 32 is the minimum value. So again, no swapping is required and we are going to put this 32 in a sorted sublist. So for now, we have this 4 element in a sorted sublist. Now in next iteration, we are again going to follow the same procedure, that is to find the minimum element, and here we can see we found that 35 is the minimum element. So we are going to swap 35 with 45 and after swapping we will get this sorted array. Now we are at the end of the array and we can see the whole array is sorted now. So this is the indication that we need to terminate a loop, and after terminating we will get the sorted array as a result of selection sort. Till now we done with all theoretical concept regarding selection sort. Now let's try to implement in C and Python. Here I am going to start with C. Let's use C editor and compiler. Now let's start with writing main function. Inside main I'm going to declare array which we need to sort. Let's calculate its size. Here I am using size of function. Now print the unsorted array so that it will be easy for us to compare the results. Here I am calling print array function. We will define it later once we're done with main function. Pass the array which we need to print and its size. Now let's call selection sort function here, which will sort the given unsorted array. And now again print the sorted array. Again call print array function here and pass the sorted array. Okay, so here we're done with the main function. Now let's define selection sort function. Array which we need to sort and its size. Let's iterate this for loop over an unsorted array for integer I equals to 0, I is less than size minus 1, I plus plus. As per algorithm, we will mark first element as minimum. And now let's iterate this for loop over and remaining unsorted array. In j equals to I plus 1, j is less than size j plus plus. Inside this for loop, I am going to check that if the element which is at position min, if it is greater than the element which is at position j, if this is the case, in this case we need to swap minimum element. So new index of minimum element will be j. After assigning a new minimum element, we are going to swap these two elements. Fine, we're done with selection sort function. Let's define this function swap which will help us to swap both this element. Void swap let's create temporary variable which will hold the values, and finally y is temp. So we're done with our swap function too. Now let's define the final remaining function print array which will help us to print sorted and unsorted array. Pass this array which we need to sort and its size. Let's iterate this for loop over an array for int I equals to 0, I is less than size I plus plus. Fine. Now here we're done with our coding part. Try to run this code. Oh, we got some error. What is it? Sorry. This is array. Okay, let's run it again. What next? Oh, sorry. Here we need to pass size also. And now finally, here you can see we got our sorted array, which is the result of selection sort. For now, we successfully executed C program to implement selection sort. Now let's try to implement selection sort in Python. First step is to define a function which will perform selection sort. Pass the array which we need to sort. Let's iterate this for loop over an unsorted array for I in range of array's length. As per algorithm, we will assign first element as minimum and then we'll iterate for loop over and remaining unsorted array for j in range of I plus 1 to the size of array. Here we will check if the element which is at minimum position, if it is greater than the element which is at jth position. If this is the case, then we will assign the element which is at jth position to the minimum element. And here we are going to swap the current minimum element with this new minimum element. So for now, we're done with definition of selection sort. Now let's declare this array which we need to sort. Let's print given array so that it will be easy for us to compare the reason. Given arrays and print this array. Then call selection sort function here, pass this unsorted array and again print the result which is sorted array. So here we're done with our coding part. Now let's try to run this code. And here we can see we got a sorted array which is the result of selection sort. So here we done with all theoretical concept of selection sort, its implementation in C and Python. I hope this video will clear your all doubts regarding selection sort. If any query, please comment in comment box and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.